What's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna do a video on my Sundown X12 V2s. I'm gonna go ahead and give a little update. I haven't done a video on them, and I'm just gonna give all around what has changed. I'm gonna do some ported flex with my windows down, as well as some sealed. All my videos have been sealed flex. I'm gonna do some interior and exterior, but I did make some heavy changes compared to the last one. Number one is I inverted them. Play a little bit lower, a little bit more of a range. I like them better like this. Another thing, I took the tweeter boxes off. I'm gonna move those. Right now I'm just kind of playing with this how it is. I've got my 4 DD M8As. These are the 8-inch mid-ranges. They sound good. Need a better amp. But up here, I still am doing the Terra amps, MD8K, and then Tar amps DS 1200x4. I will be upgrading to Assault 500x4 by Sundown pretty soon. But if you didn't watch the videos before, this is tuned about 32, 33. When it's inverted, it plays really well at 31. Let's go ahead and give a little demo. I'm gonna start off with sealed first, and then I will go with ported. For the first song, we're gonna do 30 to 35 hertz, Wipe Me Down by XCLSV. For the second song, we got Plaza Outchia by XCLSV. 31 hertz. 31 hertz plays a lot better inverted. Yeah, this is the build I've still been working on. It'll never be done, but as of now, we're still at the 4 Sundown X V2 12s. These are the 2 ohm. Still rocking with those. Just 8 gauge NVX wiring. 4 DD M8As, mid-range speakers. DS 1200x4 Tar Amps AMD 8000.1. Nothing's a lot changed. It definitely is a pressure unit in here, much louder than I thought it would be, but you know, after clamped with only around 4,000 to 5,000 watts, this is definitely moving some air. You know, I've got 2 down for sound LTO 6.0s, the lithiums underneath here, and then a Mechman 400 amp alternator. If you have any questions, just leave them below. If you don't mind, just drop a like. If not, whatever, it's cool, don't matter. But yeah, I appreciate y'all tuning in for another one. I will be uploading all types of car audio and all types of different videos dealing with audio and cars and whatnot. I appreciate it. Y'all have a good one.